How to kill ivy vines. Ivy is often welcomed in outdoor spaces where it can give a classic feeling to the outside of a building or a well-designed trellis. Unfortunately, if unwanted, ivy can be a large nuisance for many homeowners. It spreads quickly and can be extremely invasive. While cutting the ivy at its roots may seem like the most logical idea for removal, it is backbreaking work and may need to be repeated many times. With an environmental-friendly herbicide, however, you can remove the encroaching ivy vines from your yard with relative ease. Things you'll need: rubber gloves, herbicide-containing triclopyr, paintbrush, plastic gardening sheets optional. Protect your hands by wearing rubber gloves and be sure to dress with long pants and sleeves. Do not wear open-toed shoes. Dip a paintbrush into the herbicide and apply it directly to the base of the unwanted ivy vines. Be careful not to get the herbicide on any plants that you wish to keep. If the ivy is entangled with plants you wish to keep, use plastic gardening sheets to protect the desired plants. Reapply the herbicide 1 week after the initial application to any remaining vines.